I'm Julien Genestu, the founder and CEO of Unlock Protocol, a company that's building a protocol for memberships. We've been backed by Coinbase Venture, Consensus, BetterWorks, as well as The Guardian through their fund called GMG Ventures. GameVault is really exciting to me because I'm deeply convinced that NFTs specifically could have a massive impact to work around, software licenses and especially gaming licenses. So I'm really, really excited that Henry is part of our community, and I look forward to seeing him succeed with GameVault.
My name's Henry Hoffman, and I'm the CEO of GameVault. GameVault is a decentralized PC game distribution ecosystem. Initially developed at HackFS, we won prizes from Protocol Labs, The Graph, Textile, and Unlock Protocol. Protocol Labs described GameVault best as a fantastic implementation for a collective decentralized store for games. The PC game marketplace today has a handful of massive companies with a stranglehold over distribution, often taking 30% of sales revenue and locking in developers, whilst consumers have no ownership rights over their games. GameVault offers a new kind of games distribution, where developers and consumers collectively own the games. Developers retain a much higher percentage of sales revenue and can sell their games off-platform if they choose. Consumers have true digital ownership over their games, and our GameVault DRM ensures users can trade, lend, and sell their games freely. To give you a better understanding of GameVault, I'll show a quick product demo. Here you're presented with a store page, which lists some games I added earlier for demonstration purposes. All game data is stored using Textile's ThreadDB, and here on the left you can see we're retrieving tags from the games in the database. You'll also notice that all the games are priced in Matic, but we can technically use any currency, even credit cards, using Unlock Protocol. Let's take a look at some of the games. Here you can see the game listing page for Cyberpunk. All game assets, marketing images, and even the game builds are stored using IPFS Web3.storage. On the right, you can see the price, but 60 Matic is too expensive for us, so let's find a cheaper option. Here we can see the game is much cheaper, so I'll buy it for 0.01 Matic. What's actually happening here is I'm buying an NFT which is minted on demand. This NFT will give me lifetime access to game updates, but can also be sold or traded on open marketplaces. Now that I've bought the game, I can go to my library and download it. Here we're using the graph to get a list of game keys the player owns. So the GameVault founders met at an incubator in Sweden, became friends, then traveled the world together making video games. I'm a BAFTA-winning game developer, founder of 3 companies, including Fiddlesticks, which is in the process of being acquired by Catalyst. My games have won over 50 awards, and I'm regarded as one of the leading figures in the UK indie game scene. I'm also a big believer in crypto and Web3, buying into Bitcoin in 2013 and contributing and maintaining various Web3 open source projects built on Decentraland, Unlock Protocol, Audius, and more. Mario was one of the founding members of Hyperbeard in 2014, the largest mobile game developer and publisher in Mexico, with over 100 million global downloads. In his spare time, Mario runs the largest Discord community of Mexican game developers and hosts a top 5 ranked iTunes podcast on game development. We're currently in talks with potential publishing partners with game IP, including Narcos and Peaky Blinders. We've also secured a number of games from indie developers, including Cube 2 and Death Grounds, which ran a successful Kickstarter campaign just last year. We believe that Web3 will see mainstream adoption over the next 5 years, and the existing gatekeepers of PC game distribution will be too slow and disincentivized to adapt. When those users start demanding ownership rights over their digital content, GameVault will be there to onboard the next generation of gamers. But 5 years is a long time, so how are we going to start generating revenue now? Well, our plan is to reward early adopters, collectors, and speculators with exclusive limited runs of games which include unique NFT-based bonus content, NFT-gated access to developers, and lots more. In terms of our timeline, we're looking at launching MVP in April, native launcher application in August, DRM in October, and game bundles in December. Thanks very much for watching, and we look forward to gaming with you in the Vault.